Welcome to Siama channel. It's Masima. I'm trying to show in my videos how you can buy on budget makeup quality without spending a lots of money. As I told you before, you know that I'm living in Italy, and in here we have 99-cent shops. So in these shops you can find everything. In fact, just for 99 cents or €1 you can find makeup, food, beauty, I don't know, even the waxes, soap, everything that you imagine. In fact, and it's so funny because some of them really cost maybe more, some of them cost less, and maybe this is the politic that they are selling everything just with 99 cents. For example, they are selling a small bottle of the mineral water for €1, and also they are selling a mug that maybe costs for €4 just for €1 too, and even a concealer, a lipstick, and everything that you imagine. But with the big issue that if you can trust it or not, because okay, it's just €1, how I can trust it? It means that it doesn't have a good quality, maybe it's bad, maybe it's toxic, maybe it bothers my skin or something like this. But be careful, maybe it's opportunity for you that you can buy just with one. Ta-da! This is my €1 concealer. Okay, today we're gonna see together, is it really work or not? I think yes, because before I just tried some of these products, and I'm going to tell you how you can trust them. First rule, be sure that you are buying them from a known market or shop like $1, €1 markets, or from the big supermarkets that you can trust it easily. That it says it has a standard that they are going to sell it to you. The second rule that I think is very too important, be sure that when you are choosing your product, they have enough good protected packaging and vacuums, so easily nobody can test them, or it has a testers in their shop. For example, this concealer, it has a tester. Even you can test the colors and you can find your match color easily. So it has to be good vacuumed, good package, that you can be sure is protected as well. And the last rule that is not really obligatory, is better if they have a specific name or brand. For example, the brand of this cosmetics for 99-cent shop is Lady Venezia. That you can see it's the name, it's the brand, and you can even go to see the website. So it's a way for me that I can trust it even better. So it says it's not some product that just produced without any name, without any occasion and standard in China, or comes in here and it says that it's made in Italy. So that one, I don't know really I can trust it or not, because if it's made in Italy, it's a little bit weird that they sell it just for €1. But anyway, it has a name, it has a brand. And also something very interesting for me, as I told you, even in the website of this brand that is Lady Venezia, they are selling these products more expensive, as you can find it in €1. For example, this concealer in the website is €2.50, but in 99 cents you can find it for €1. And I'm sure they are not fake, because also you can check the QR codes, and all of them has the QR codes. You can see like this, and it's vacuumed as well. It has the QR code and you can check it. Also check this one, it says it's not a fake, so just it's the maybe politic of the 99-cent shop that they are selling them, I don't know, cheap, maybe in this way. In other way it has a benefit for them. Really, I don't know what is it about the marketing for these shops. But anyway, this is the rules. If you go for it, you can trust it easily. And first, I'm going to unbox it for you. We're gonna see it together, and we're gonna break the vacuum and test it. Then I'm going to compare it with one of the most famous strong concealers in the world, that is for Too Faced, and we can see is it really has the quality, is it pass or fail, or just if we don't say it's just €1 or $1, even it has a value that I use it or not. So let's go together. Okay, beauties, so let's see it together. Okay, this is the brand, as I told you, that is for Lady Venezia. It's a correttore completo, that it means it's the multi-purpose correcting concealer. And this is the brand, and it has a vacuum, so let's break the vacuum together. Yeah, it has a way that you can break it like this. In fact, it's good that they protect it very well, that it says it vacuumed well. So here it is. I choose the lightest color as my skin, that's like an ivory. And if I want to open it, wow, you can see it's enough long, so maybe it's not a product that we can say because it's for just €1. It doesn't have enough product inside it. It's like a normal concealer, even for my Maybelline or something. And oh, so creamy. Look, has a good texture, good pigments, creamy as well. And okay, I can say it's a little bit dry, so it doesn't have very velvety soft texture, but anyway, it's just for €1, so you can see it's enough pigmented and creamy and conceals really well. You can see the difference in my skin. And now we're gonna try together in my face. Okay, we can make a comparison. Here is my €30 concealer, which is for Too Faced. It says that it contains the cocoa water and the minerals and something really good, and one of the high coverage, most famous multi-purpose concealers that exist in the world. And here is my €1 concealer that I'm going to try it to see it's really worth it or not. You know, my friends, the first time that I decided to buy less expensive or cheaper concealer, it was in summer. I had to go to work, and for my uniform I had a short skirt, and something bad that happened for me. I had a big red spot in my leg. That it happened for a story that I burnt myself, so I needed to cover it because I couldn't go to work like this. I was going to lose my work or something. So I decided to buy a cheap concealer because it was a big spot and I had to cover it every day, and if I wanted to use my €30 concealer, it was a bankrupt for me. So I decided to buy it, but not exactly this type. It was a liquid concealer that I found it in 99¢. I used it and I can say it was great. At least for the skin in your body, it really works. If you have an issue in your body, you have to cover it with a corrector, with a concealer. Don't hesitate to buy a cheap concealer, just trust me, it really works. The first, I'm going to show you in my next video how you can set it up in your body, that you have to first use the concealer, then you can set it with some baby powder or body powder, and then if you wear some transparent nude sock on it, nobody can see it and nobody imagine it that you have this big spots or blemish or flaws on your skin. So let's try it together. I'm really excited. Okay, you see it has a big applicator that even you can, it's a multi-purpose corrector that you can use even for your body, for all of your face, for under eyes, for everything. And it smells nothing in fact because it says that contains some cocoa water and spring water, but it smells like ink and it's weird in fact for me. So, but anyway, let's try it. It's very textured and pigmented. Normally when I'm using just a little bit of this, it goes too much, and if I use it a lot, I'm going to look like a mask. and just so I used a lot, in fact, but we're gonna blend it together to see. But that one I used it a lot, so also this one I'm trying to use it a lot. But hey guys, look, it's really textured and creamy and works. I'm going to blend it to see, but amazing. You can see the differences. I can say it's worth it. For me, is a thumbs up, is a pass that you can use, I don't know, for your body. You can use it for the occasions that you really don't want to use a very expensive makeup, but also, of course, that you can see the differences. That one for the Too Faced, it sleeps very well on your skin. It does looks like that it blends with your skin by itself, but this one you can see it has a circle in here. See that I blended too much. It's not creamy and textured as the other one, but anyway, it's worth it. Look, it works really. So if you want to cover under your eyes, I don't know, for a daily makeup, just to not use a very strong makeup, in my opinion, it works. Okay beauties, look, now it's about 10 minutes. I applied both of the concealers, this one for Too Faced, this one for 99 Cents Lady Vanessa. You can see the differences after 10 minutes. Also that one is very well blended with my skin, but you can't deny the coverage is different. But anyway, I say it again, for me it's a pass. And also, it covered enough good. Maybe you can use this product a little bit more than the normal products, because when you blend it, it a little bit goes away like a cream. But it's good, really good. Okay, my lovely friends, I hope that you enjoyed this video and it has something that you can use it. If you are interested that I show you in my next video how you can conceal the spots and blemishes on your body, please comment for me. And if you enjoyed our videos, please go and smash the subscribe button, and don't forget please to give me a like and thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and you liked it. Love you so much. Hope to see you soon in the next video. Sweet kisses for all of you. Bye bye.